Not slow.
Oh, it was close.
How about now?
Need like 3 more.
Alright.
So this is my cousin Tony's shop, and they're working in there right now. Like, we've experienced some decent flooding here in northern Kentucky, but it's pretty high. Like, I don't think I've seen it this high in 5 or 6 years. Looks like there might be a drain right there or something. I just hope that E30 makes it. At least the gold car's safe.
What? What the fuck happened? Somebody, I didn't do it.
What'd you do, Harley? Still powered. Where you look more?
Nice! Wow! Unbelievable.
You go to this? Your left. There you go. Now he's good. That's weird.
Oh.
Hey, this is a no wait zone. This is a no wait zone. Well, let's see how well our barriers come up. Let's see.
Harley's in there, I think.
Trying to figure out the
Oh,
like, what the fuck?
Harley's in there like, dude, it's coming through.
Water come in?
I don't know where my keys are.
You don't know where your keys are.
Are they in beds?
Yep, there it is. Right next to his feet.
What?
There's water coming in here.
Gary.
Damn it, Gary.
Oh, is that your jacket? Are they in that jacket?
That's my jacket, actually. I'll take that home.
So the river's supposed to crest at 54 feet, and it is currently at 53 feet, which is what you guys are seeing at the shop. So it's got another foot to go. I definitely think it's going to be in his shop, probably like 5 inches deep or so. If not, even better. What a difference.